Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po, narito tayo sa Creepy Creature dito sa Manila Park. Creepy Park. Tingnan natin. So guys, yung bauhay. Yung mataas na nilig. Iba pala ito. Oh, may Komodo dragon. Oh. Feet. The turtle. Oh, there's a lot of people around here. Oh, what's this? Oh.
Hey.
Oh, viper. What is this? Viper. Oh, viper. Viper. Very poisonous. And this one? That's the Indonesian python. Yeah. Oh. Let's see, guys. This is Komodo dragon. Iguana. Iguana. Na guys, yung iguana.
Iniอะไรนะครับ
อันนี้เป็น
สบายดี
กิ
เป
น
ล่า
กินอะไรกินอะไรพี่ฮะ ไม่กินนะThis is green bottle tarantula. Thailandเป็น black tarantula. Venezuela. อันนี้เป็นฟิลิปปินส์spider. This is Burmese python. Boholano python. โอ้โห
น่าจะเป็นไก่และก็กระต่าย
นี่เป็นทอง
Uy, may kinain siya sa loob, oh.
นี่เป็นทอง
Ano to, Rap? What's this?
Monitor lizard.
This is...
Just a bug, Maybe that's its food.
Oh my gosh, it's Komodo. Oh, no, it's a big python. This is green tree python. Look at that. Oh wow. This is golden python. It's a big one. Oh, what a big snake.
Ilang isda. Uy, Linus. Lalo.
This is yung park dito. Ano ikaw ba ni? Ikaw sa King Lion. Dapat si
Ito po. Binataas.
This one leopard dito too. Ano ikaw ba ni King Lion? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. See you for my next video. Goodbye.